Are you looking for the best cameras for beginners? In this video, we will look at some of the best cameras for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video,
We have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
number 1. Nikon D3500. The D3500 from Nikon is the perfect option, as the entire design gets you up and running right away. With an intelligent, fully automatic mode, wide-ranging scene mode, and numerous effects we can choose from, the Nikon DSLR D3500 provides everything we need to get started. From our experience, it has a high-performance 24, 2 MP sensor and processor, as well as a large ISO range and a high-resolution LCD screen. These features show off the camera's quality to take stunning point-and-shoot pictures that will look better than a cell phone camera. While the LCD isn't a touchscreen, the overall package makes this Nikon DSLR worth looking at. Number 2. Canon Rebel SL3. While DSLR cameras are being slowly phased out by their new and shiny mirrorless counterparts, many photographers still prefer working with a DSLR because of its wider selection of interchangeable lenses, better low-light performance, and a more comfortable size and grip. If you fall in this category, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is the perfect entry-level DSLR camera. This camera packs a powerful punch with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, which will game up your photography. The stills churned out are amazing, with plenty of details and rich colors, but the 4K video it shoots is just as impressive. It also packs a fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, so you get the perfect shot on your first try. Number 3. Fujifilm X-T200. The list of best cameras for beginners without the mention of the Fujifilm X-T200 would be an injustice. Succeeding its predecessor X-T100, the X-T200 is one of the most budget-friendly mirrorless cameras available in the market. Unlike its precursor, the X-T200 promises a better response rate and comes loaded with more amazing features. From our experience, the Fujifilm X-T200 stands out because of its highly accurate face and eye detection algorithm, advanced image processing with a copper-wired processor, which reduces noise levels, increases readout speeds, and thus camera performance, and a widescreen -90 to +180-degree rotatable LCD touchscreen. Number 4. Canon EOS R100. While we'd have loved to see a non-fixed screen with touch input, the D-pad at the back of the camera still makes it easy to navigate menus and settings. It has simple controls and a guided user interface that beginners might appreciate. It also has Canon's advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system with face tracking and eye detection for photographs. Add to that its 24. 1 MP sensor, this product will deliver amazing image quality for both stills and videos. A slight downside is that Canon's RF mirrorless mount is currently one of the newest lens formats on the market, so there aren't a lot of native lenses available. Instead, this camera can be compatible with Canon's EF DSLR mount.